Hello and welcome to everyone. Today I will show a traditional game which is also known as Pukko in Tulu, which consists of 5 stones and it includes 10 games, and it is also been played in Karavira Kai. First game is like that: we have to take the 5 stones and we have to throw it up and we have to hold it in our hand. We have to take the remaining stones. In second game, we have to throw the stones and we have to take one stone without shaking the other stone, and we have to take it in the pairwise. In third game, we have to throw the stone, we have to take one stone and we have to take 3 stones together and remaining one stone. In fourth game, we have to keep the stones and we have to take one stone without shaking other 4 and we have to throw it upwards and we have to grab the other 4 stones. In fifth game, we have to hold one stone in between thumb and index finger and we have to throw one stone and keep the remaining 4 stones. Same way we have to take it. In sixth game, we have to keep it one stone in between our thumb and index finger and we have to throw it and we have to touch the ground and again we have to take it. It is same as fifth procedure. In seventh game, we have to keep it in the 3 stones we have to keep in a triangle shape and we have to throw we have to keep one stone in between thumb and index, other one in a little finger, and we have to replace the little finger stone and other 3 stones in a ground. We have to do it in this method, and we have to take all the stones as first method. In eighth method, we have to do it in this way and we have to jumka it once, and in ninth game we have to throw it in this way and we have to jumka every stones. In 10th game we have to do it in this way and we have to ask the opposition party to take the stone. They have to take the far one, as they should not take the near one, because it should not be shaked. The other stone should not be shaked, and it is as usual as first game. Rules and regulations of this game is we have to not shake the other stones. If at all they shaked, they will be out, and if at all the stone has been slipped from the hand, they will be out. I think you enjoyed this game. This is an indoor game. If you are fed of watching TV and mobile, you can play this game. You can chill your mind and you can be relaxed. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.